Hi, welcome to this video where we're going to talk about Pinterest and if it's Pinterest for free. Maybe you noticed recently there are other social media platforms, they are really trying to maybe offer you some possibility to pay if you don't want to see the advertisement or other options or some verified membership, which maybe you start thinking, is Pinterest for free or which tools and features are not for free? So I'm going to show you this in this video. My name is Michaela and I'm Pinterest manager and strategist. I'm ready to help you to show you how you can use the Pinterest marketing and to monetize your website, to sell on Pinterest. I really use the maximum potential of this platform for your business. So let's go back to the video and see if Pinterest is for free and if you have the option to pay for verified membership or what is the really option. So maybe you are thinking, is Pinterest for free or not? We are going to see my business profile and what everything is for free or what is paid. So you can see and click on this menu here. Maybe you see it a little bit differently. Just to notice that sometimes Pinterest change the layout, so don't worry about it. You will exactly see more or less the same, but maybe you have it on the top here or like a menu options like create, analytics, and ads and business, or maybe you have it a different way, but all the, let's say, menu options are the same, maybe in different layout. So what do you think? First, what you can see is the business hub, where you see like overview of your account, how you're doing, top performing pains, and also if there are any suggestions or recommendations for your advertisement campaigns. Home feed, obviously, it's a home feed where you can see all the pins of people you are following, and also based on the algorithm Pinterest is following and offering you the topics and the pins you are interested in. Here we have create the option. This is the new version. Recently, Pinterest also changed the layout for the pins. So maybe you still see create idea pins and create pins. We have this new version now, which is only create pins, which means it's merge all together, all the pins options and features. So if you see this version, just use create pin. If you don't see this version, just use create pin anyway, because the idea pins are gone in that sense. So this all is obviously free. Even it says paid, create paid pin for idea pin or create pin for idea ad. This option, of course, it's free because you are adding Pinterest, you are adding pins for free. Unless, of course, if you're going to do advertisement on Pinterest, you don't have to pay to create the advertisement, but then you have to put, of course, some money to do the campaign. So this is budget on the top of your campaigns. It has nothing to do with a Pinterest business account, but if you want to do advertisement as is the same as any other social media platform, you just basically pay for making or doing the advertisement on Pinterest. But just creating pins, even if you don't start the advertisement, you can create them for free. Then you have the analytics. Of course, you see the overview. You have very nice audience insights here and a very good tool, which is Pinterest Trends. So you can see a little bit of predictions on Pinterest, how it's going to be. All these tools are for free. You have ads, as I said, campaigns. If you want to promote pins or create campaigns, of course, you will have to put some money. You can use the business manager if you want to give access to somebody to your account. Billing is where you're going to put, of course, your business details and your credit card in case you want to do campaigns. And of course, there is catalog, product catalog. If you have an e-shop, online e-commerce store, you can easily connect Pinterest to your e-commerce store and create product catalog, which is great tool also for organic reach and also for later if you want to do advertisement. So what's free? Basically, Pinterest account, Pinterest business account is for free. Anything, all the features are for free. The only thing you're going to pay is when you basically want to do campaign on Pinterest and create, let's say, acquisition campaign or conversion campaign, and you want to get some conversions from Pinterest, then you're going to pay the campaign. You set certain budget and you pay for it. That's the only way you can make it, but you don't have to pay for any verification or even like a verified merchant. Maybe there is an option you can do verify merchant without paying, because Pinterest has to approve you. So Pinterest is basically for free unless you want to do advertisement. So that's the answer to your question. And basically, if you like my videos, every week I post about Pinterest marketing tips, how to monetize Pinterest, and how to use the best potential of this platform. So if you like my videos, subscribe here, because I'm going to put every week new videos, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video next time. Have a great day.